Hi, Nixie here. How are you? I mean, it's been a while since the last time I spoke in my video, and I feel like I need to explain why I wasn't speaking on my recent videos, and it really is simply because it's so hot where I am, and my room is not exactly a well ventilated room, okay? And it's actually really dark here. The air can't really freely get inside my room and stuff. I actually blocked my window for reasons. Nothing weird at all, but really, I just wanted to, like, as much as possible, if I do record my voice, is that my microphone wouldn't be picking up the noises outside. And the main reason why I blocked my window is because there's a lot of kids in our neighbor and they really play, like, I don't know, for some reason they want to play in front of our house and they make a lot of noise. And every time I'm recording, they're playing and making noises. But since, the pandemic and stuff, they're not really allowed outside anymore, and it's been quiet lately, but can't really take down what I used to block my window. Anyway, yeah, it's really hot in my room where I record, and I can't really open my electric fan while I'm trying to record, because then I should not just have record my voice, because you'll just be hearing my fan instead. So yeah, it just kind of made me feel too lazy and didn't want to actually endure the heat while I'm trying to record my voice, because I've done that a lot for my other videos, and I always turn out to be more all over the place and not know what I'm really trying to say, because my brain is like screaming at me. I'm so uncomfortable and I'm sweating and it's so freaking hot and I'm just going to die soon. But right now it's kind of cool. I guess you're actually kind of hearing the exhaust fan, and I'm sorry about that, but that exhaust fan is providing me the coolness so that I can tolerate the fan being off right now. So I apologize for like the low quality audio, okay? Really sorry. But yeah, I've actually really missed talking to you guys. And I really want to know what's been up with you. Because for me, I'm actually just, anime, obey me, and drawing and drawing and drawing. I'm actually drawing a lot. It's crazy. Actually, I'm managing to like draw every day. It doesn't matter if it's in a physical like sketchbook or digitally, but I'm actually drawing daily, and that's crazy. I never done that in a long time. Like the last time I did that is probably like 10 years ago. But that's crazy. I'm drawing a lot. I'm drawing a lot despite me not really uploading them. But that is the thing. You don't have to upload every single thing, right? But anyway, so I actually went on a very long and far tangent there. This video is about this tea stained papers or toilet papers or doilies. So why don't we actually talk about what I'm doing in this video? Down, boy. I sketched Gojo and kind of like, thought of what and how I want to draw him in a canvas, and it was actually really hard to sketch on it because the Mod Podge dried and it was like plastic and you can't really like draw on it. But anyway, finally I'm using this freaking Japanese washi tape that I bought that smells nice. I don't know why they smell nice. They smell like candy for some reason. And these moon or galaxy stickers and this artwork, I'm pretty sure this is like a famous collection of artworks from a famous artist. I'm just gonna pop the artist's name and the artwork's name in the screen because I forgot to research before I like record my voice or whatever. So I used that and kind of put the like Japanese looking washi tapes around Gojo's clothes because you know how he's just wearing all black. At least his like uniform is just all black, even his blindfold. And I kind of just put those washi tapes there and also the galaxy or moon stickers there just to give it a little something something so it's not just all black and stuff. And then I colored him using acrylic, and I think I used just some cheap acrylic for this. I didn't use my Liquitex basics. I'm not even gonna like recommend to you guys what acrylic I use. Oh, maybe I should, or maybe I would. And maybe it's just only available here in the Philippines, but it's called, I think, the acrylic are in jars and they are called Croatian, and the other one is called, I'm pretty sure that kind of sounds like my name, Color Plus. Yeah, those are the names. And yeah, you can see here what I did with them. I just, the washi tape are just like popping out of his clothes and stuff, like randomly somewhere around his clothes. And I feel like it just made it look a little bit interesting, I kind of just made sure that those washi tapes and stickers kind of blend together with the black and a little bit of blue on it. And here I'm trying to paint Gojo's eyes, and for some reason I was a little bit nervous about painting his eyes because my god, guys, if you watched Jujutsu Kaisen, and if you don't, go watch it, but if you did, you already know that his eyes are special and they're like very, very bright blue and such like that. It's like, it's very special and it's really unique. When you look at them, it's like you're looking at a bright morning sky. It's crazy. Kind of find it hard to get that feel when I was trying to paint his eyes. I mean his eye. There's only one eye in this painting. But yeah, I think I nailed it a little bit. Yeah, I think I did. And then when I'm done painting him, I just went with my ink again. That's Daiso Sumi ink in a water brush and outlined him so that there's more details there, or actually more crisp detail. And then I used those doilies that I actually dyed in tea as well. But I'm pretty sure I just used one, so I used one doily at this one end, and then those stickers, the art stickers one, and I plastered them all over the background because I'm actually like wanting them to blend a little bit at the background, and since they have like the same color tint, because I didn't really want them to overpower or like stick out so much, you know. So I found it like really perfect how those stickers are looking like vintagey coffee stain-ish color, and they just like blend really well on the tea dyed paper background. And then the second thing that I really love are the gold details. So here, I actually used my Liquitex basics here. Yeah, that's the gold Liquitex basics acrylic paint over there. And I kind of just paint all over some gold details using it. And here I just kind of sprinkled it all over the darkest part of the canvas, which is Gojo's clothes. And yeah, I used those butterfly things that I bought like long ago. I don't know what they are, but you know, I stick it right on his face because I felt like that part of his face is a little bit too bare. And then here, man, I love these gold flakes, and yeah, I kind of used that to cover Gojo up, just one side of his face though. The reason why I really like this is because it's an artwork where I was like not using a lot of brain cells. I'm just like, you know what, I'm gonna do what I want to do because I like it and not worrying too much about the outcome. And I felt like when I always do that, my artworks always turn out like the best of the bunch. I mean, it's probably not the best for you, but it is kind of for me. But it's just so freeing, you know. And I really think that making artwork should be freeing and not something that pressures you, because I already pressure myself a lot. That causes me to be super anxious, and when I'm super anxious, I end up doing nothing at all. The best way to make art is just don't think about it and just let your hands create, you know, I guess. But yeah, again, I'm not a Gojo simp, okay? Don't tell me I'm a simp. I really like this, and I hope I will make more mixed canvas or mixed media painting canvas. If you listened and sit through the whole video, you are a freaking trooper. I am like the queen of rambling and the queen of being all over the place, and yet you freaking listened. You're some kind of a, I don't know, a god or a goddess, you know. Thank you for watching. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.